Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ask Nolan. Today we're going to be working on another couple of sixth grade problems dealing with unit rate. All right, so let's go ahead and jump on in. Marty's parents paid $150 per month in electrical bills last year, which is equivalent to a rate of $150 per month. So once again, let's go ahead and set up our our proportion, our unit rate based on what they gave us. Okay. So it says right here, equivalent to a rate of 150 per month. They also said it right here. So when we write that out, that's $150 on top. Per month is 1 month. So 1 month. Okay. Now, when you divide those, anything divided by 1 is itself. So let me rewrite my 5, make it look like a 5. All right. So this really equals just $150 or 150. Okay. So that means that for us to find an equivalent one, we'll have to divide A, B, C, and D. We'll have to divide each one to see if they equal 150. So for like for A, we would be dividing 450 divided by 6. For B, we're going to do 600 divided by 8. For C, we're going to do 1,150 divided by 10. And for D, we're going to do 1,800 divided by 12. The one that gives us 150 will be the correct answer. So now let's just go to the calculator. And I'm going to use the online calculator this time. So here we go. All right, so for A was 450 divided by 6. That equals 75. So we can just put equals 75, which means that this A is not our answer. So let's go back. Now I'm going to hit clear. And even if you use the handheld calculator, I'll just type it in 450 divided by 6. It still equals 75, okay? So it doesn't matter whether you use the online or the handheld calculator. All right, going back. So now we're going to do answer choice B. 600 divided by 8. That also equals 75. So that's not going to be our answer. All right, let's take a look at C. C says 1,150 divided by 10. That's actually equal to 115. So that's not going to give us to us. So it looks like D is going to be our answer. But let's go ahead and double check. And I'll use the handheld calculator for this last one. 1,800 divided by 12 equals 150. So here's our answer right here. Okay, answer choice D. So once again, remember when you do unit rate problems, the key to finding the unit rate is dividing, okay? All right, and making sure that you divide in the correct order. Order does matter when you're dividing. All right, so that's number 3. Let's take a look at one more question for today. All right, so this question reads, number 4, a local coffee shop has 28 locations. The shops had a revenue of $4.2 million last year. What is the unit rate and revenue per shop? All right, so once again, they're letting us know the unit rate should be revenue per shop. So we're going to be dividing, let's write it out, unit rate. The two numbers we're going to do the revenue number. Oops, let me spell that right. Revenue. Yep, revenue divided by coffee shop. Okay, and I'm going to just put shops. All right, we know we coffee shops. So this would be 4.2 million divided by 28. All right, so now we have to do that. So first, let's go ahead and let's go to the calculator, and I'll use both of them for this example. So the first one is 4.2 million. So we're going to have to multiply that times 1 million first. So times 1 million. 1 million has 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's our number that we need to write down for that. So really, we're going to change this number to 4, 2, and then how many zeros was after the 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then divided by 28. Now we can go ahead and now I'm just gonna hit the division button while this number is on the calculator on the screen, and then type 28. And here's my answer. 1, 5. Oops. Let's go back to it. 1, 5 with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now if we use the online calculator, because I did say I would show both. So once again, let me clear my screen. 4.2 times 1 million, right? 1 million has 6 zeros, so there's that answer. And then you would clear that and type that in, because on this calculator you can't, you have to type stuff back in. There we go, and then we would divide that by 28. And we get the same answer, 150,000. So, and it's going to be 150,000 and then over 1. So this is the revenue. This is per shop, okay? So here's our correct answer right here, $150,000 per shop, all right? All right, folks, you all have a good day.